So this is an answer for Patricia, who asked me how it's possible to make the join of the spiral like in a very long necklace that doesn't require an additional clasp. So let's see how it works. Here I have a core. The spiral is made out of a core of 3/8 O's with 5 11 O's for the loop. So let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be another lovely sunshine we have today. And I want to record under the light of the sun. Here we go back through the 3 core, and now we flip the loop to the left. Let's make another one just to remember 2, 3, 4, 5 how to make we drop them first. How to make the spiral. I'll put the connection, the link, not the connection, for the original video in the description, hopefully. So let's try, and now that we remembered how to do this, so we have 3 for the core, 5 for the loop. I would suggest to do like this. So we bring the ends facing together, the core beads. So let's see. This means that in order to build another loop, we need to use one of the beads of the core as the building one. So we go through this, we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the loop, 5 11 O's. We drop them, and now we look to see how we go through 3 core beads. So it would be the previous 2 that we have just added here, and through this one that we've considered to be the new building block. Okay, so with this we have covered 1, and in the original core we have another one that we can use as the building block. Just make sure that the loops are to the left. We kind of pick it up, so we add it. We pick up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we look to go back through the 3 core beads. So we drop the previous one to the left, and we go through the second that we have added and these 2 beads. So we have the second, the one that we added in the last step and this one. Okay. So I would say with this our spiral looks complete. It falls into the other one. So I think this could be a good way of joining the spiral at the end. I'm trying to think if there is another way I can make it more clear. Let's see. So it's like I have 1, 2, 3, the initial ones where we started. And we know when we go back through all of them. And then it's like this. And when we come back at the end to join them, with the needle we pick up one and create the first loop, and then we go through the second one and make the second loop. And I think with these two steps the spiral is continuous. I hope it makes sense, and if not, I'll try my best to make a better recording in the future. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your question, Patricia. Bye bye.